how to use Siri on an Android phone. Alright, so let's begin with the video. As everyone knows, there is no way to install an iOS feature like Siri on Android device, but I have got a new trick that will help you get a full-fledged voice assistant just like Siri for free. In order to get it, first of all, open the Play Store on your mobile device and make sure you are signed into your account. Now go to the search bar and search for voice access. Here, tap on this app and install it onto your device. Once it is installed, open up and you will be asked to allow some permissions. After allowing them, go back to the app and agree to terms and conditions. Now enable this toggle, tap on done and scroll down to the bottom. Here, check mark this listen feature and continue to the last screen. On window, tap on finish and your voice assistant is now completely set up. After that, tap on the voice assistant button and start talking. You will also be able to know the sentences you see at top, and here you can see that it is fully functional. So that's basically how you can use Siri on an Android phone. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.